All right, check this one out here. This is a sold order. This is a TRD Off-road Premium with a black wheel package. Check it out. All right, the TRD Off-road Premium is probably the most popular 4runner package that we sell. You do see a lot of people go and put the TRD Pro front end on it as well. This one happens to have the clear bra up front. The black wheel package. You'll notice those wheels are different than the TRD Pro wheels. White's always a popular color. This one has the black emblems all the way around. Black anodized exhaust tip. Great looking truck. We've had pretty good luck getting these on a regular basis. We can add wheels, take wheels off. There's a lot of customizing 4runners before they even get to the store. This one does have the all-weather liners, heated seats, soft tex leather, the TRD embossed on the headrests, red stitching accents, regular floor mats along with a cargo mat, first aid kit, power outlet in the back, cargo net, TRD shift knob, push button start, big color touch display, a couple of power outlets down there. Factory navigation, your split screen there. You can do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with this one. Of course, the TRD Off-road Premiums have your crawl control, 8-track, rear locking differential, programmable garage door opener. Again, this one's brand new with 7 miles on it. If you'd like to know more or have us try and track one down for you, let us know. You can reach me at 218-264-4040, or you can call me direct on my extension at work at 218-454-2247. Thanks again.